Alberto, uno café, senor.
Don't serve the snake in the straw. You're two-faced, Tommy. You're either two-faced or you're a wimp, baby boy. The Haitians, man, they're laughing at me.
Easy, easy. What's your problem?
They're laughing at me, Tommy, at me, Umberto Robina. They're doing whatever they like.
Nobody does whatever they like, Umberto. They do what you let them do.
What?
You want somebody taken care of? I can handle it, but it's gonna cost you. I know we're brothers and all, but this is business.
Tommy, you a real man. Businessman, a gentleman. These Haitians, they have a load of product coming in offshore. Really good stuff. We take it, and we finish them. You take it, and I look after you. Like my brother, like my son.
I think I prefer the cash to being bounced on your knee, amigo.
Where am I, bro?
Wasn't that beautiful? Like a gorgeous woman bending over the place. Or a fat girl who suddenly loses a lot of weight. Ay, ay, ay. I see it as a beautiful time, a real special place, filled with hopes and dreams, and beautiful and hot women, and men like me. Well, not many men like me, but it...
Hey, Rico. Nice boat. Ready? See, Tommy? Now you be a good shot today. My boat, she no good. Full of holes, okay?
Son Maracaibo que tú lo bailas, son Maracaibo que tú lo gozas, son Maracaibo que tú lo bailas, son Maracaibo que tú lo gozas, son Maracaibo. Pongan atención, señores, Maracaibo, esta linda inspiración, Maracaibo.
From the dam, 19 north, traffic caída. The dam, 31 north.
The powder. You are as good as dead.